How do you show ranking in a tooltip in Tableau? In this example, I have a bar chart of customer by total sales. How do I add rank into the tooltip as you hover over? Let's see how to do this in Tableau. Let's start by writing a table calculation. I'm going to add a new calculated field. I'm going to call it rank, and it's simply going to be rank of total sales. Close the parenthesis. In this example, total sales is aggregated already. You know that because it has ag in front of it. If it did not have ag in front of it, you would have to add an aggregation like sum. It is aggregated, so I'm going to leave it like this. Click apply. Okay. And let's start by dragging rank onto columns. Put rank on label as well. And you can see that this is rank 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let's drag rank back to the tooltip. Open the tooltip. Type rank. And pass in my value. Let's make it bold and a little bit bigger. Now when I hover over, you can see that this one is rank 1, rank 2, and so on. Hope this helps.